Sometimes people abuse your chatbots, or sometimes the conversations are taking way too long and you want to solve them faster with a human. So you can limit how many characters one thread can have, one user can have with the conversation, or how many messages back and forth with the agent a customer can have. This will make it so that you don't have to waste all your tokens on someone who's using your AI agent as their own ChatGPT for anything. So what happens when they reach the limits? The user gets a message that says, "It seems I'm unable to resolve your issue. Let me contact support for you," and it will escalate automatically to support. So what's nice about that is that your users are not getting stuck in a loop. If your agent cannot solve their problems, automatically it escalates for you. But what we see is that most of the conversations are being solved by the agent itself. We get less than 1% being escalated to the user. So that again positions you as AI first rather than AI complementing the humans. AI frees the human's time because it can solve all the problems, and only when there is an issue does it get escalated.